Your partner doesn't love you like before? Do these 8 things. Have you noticed that your partner is becoming cold, distant, or less interested in you lately? Maybe the cause are fear, the affection is fading, and you're wondering if the love is still there. My name is Anne, and in this video, you are going to learn 8 smart things to do if your partner has stopped loving you. I mean, like before, so you can avoid costly mistake and protect yourself. Let's begin. Number 1, don't panic and start chasing. When people feel their partner has started withdrawing or pulling away, the first thing that comes into their mind is panic. You see them start panicking. You see them call more, begin to test more, and ask for answers immediately. But that often push the other person away more. Do you know why? Some of them will feel, oh, they are very important to you. Others will feel, oh, I have gotten her. I think she doesn't feel anything. This one has hit her. Don't ever panic and avoid calling more or testing to get an answer immediately. Example of this: imagine a woman notices her husband is pulling away, has become quiet and distant. You know what next she will begin to do? She will pick up her phone and begin to call more often. Test more, even calling every minute to get an answer, and begin to ask, what wrong did I do? Or what is wrong? Please, I need to know what I did. Instead of bringing them closer, he feels pressured and withdraws even more. But the simple thing to do is stay calm. Give yourself time to think before reacting emotionally. I know it is not easy, but make sure you go with this tip. The next thing to do is pay attention to actions, not just words. Sometimes people tell you they love you, but their actions tells a different thing. Real love is shown through behavior and not promises. For example, a man may tell his wife, oh, I love you, but never spend time with her, never listens to her, and never shows interest in her life. Words alone can comfort you, but action reveals the main thing. The simple thing to do is check how your partner has treated you in the past. I mean, over the past few years or months. Not what they just said. Not what they just said recently. The next thing you must do is have an honest conversation. Make sure you do one thing. Avoid accusing or attacking at this stage. Instead, calm down and try to understand what really is happening. What you should do is, instead of saying, you don't care about me anymore, remember there is problem already. Tell him something like this: I have noticed some distance between us lately. Can we talk about it? Make sure you talk gently. Don't be harsh, but talk from your mind. Speak to him with respect. And make sure while you are asking for this, arrange for a calm place. Arrange for calm moment to speak, and speak honestly without blaming. The next thing you must do is work on yourself. Work on yourself. While you are worried about relationship, about marriage, make sure you work on yourself. Make sure you continue growing emotionally, physically, and mentally. For example, many people become more confident when they are healthy, when they are good in health, when they have goals and personal development instead of obsessing over someone else's behavior. Do you get this, women? My sisters, do you get this? Take care of yourself. When you are fit, when you are healthy, when you have something doing, you can talk confidently. I mean, with respect. Simple thing to do at this stage is spend at least 30 minutes every day taking care of yourself. I mean, in some ways, you know, as a woman, there are so many things you can do to yourself, to your health. You can go for exercise. You can even do it in your house using a video. Make sure you pep up yourself. Try to take care of your body, physical body, your teeth, your breath. Take care of yourself, your dressing, Those things that makes you look somehow, dump them. Pep up your life. I want to ask, if you're finding value in this video, subscribe and share my videos. Join our community. We share practical relationship tips that help men and women build healthier, stronger relationships. The next thing you must do is stop ignoring red flags. Love should never blind you to reality. If your partner constantly disrespects you, lies, or avoids serious conversations, those signs matters. For example, someone keep making excuses for bad behavior. They are afraid of losing their relationship, losing their man. They want to stay put in that relationship. But ignoring problems don't make them disappear at all. The simple thing you must do is be honest about behaviors you have been excusing for too long. Be careful. The next thing you must do is try to bring back positive moments. What do I mean by this? Sometimes relationships becomes dull because partners stop doing the little things that once brought them together. Maybe we are going out together, we are going from joint to joint. Make sure you introduce those. Introduce them back. Make sure you introduce them back. Example, you may stop having meaningful conversations, going out together and sharing enjoyable experiences. Connection grows where attention goes. I know you know this. Simple thing you must do is suggest one enjoyable activity you both used to enjoy. The next thing you must do is protect your self-respect. Never beg someone to love you. Never. Any love that is forced is not a healthy love. For example, if you are constantly convincing someone to value you, you are fighting a battle you shouldn't have to fight. Simple thing to do is remember that your worth doesn't depend on another person's feelings. The next thing you must do is be prepared for the truth. So sometimes relationships recover and sometimes they don't. But the goal is never force someone to stay. And the goal is to handle the situation with wisdom and dignity. Example of this is many people who experience painful breakups later discover that it opened door to a healthier relationship. Simple thing you must do is make sure you plan on becoming stronger, notwithstanding the outcome. I want to say that if your partner doesn't love you like before, don't respond with fear. Rather, respond with wisdom. Stay calm. Stay calm. Communicate. Communicate honestly. Respect yourself and never lose your value trying to keep someone who don't value you or who no longer sees it. If this video helps you, leave a comment below and tell us which point spoke to you most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Make sure kindly give the channel a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share this video to all your friends. Remember, we are here always. Love you. Bye.